Let me show you how you can go from zero to 1,000 active status viewers in 30 days or less. This is proven, this is guaranteed. Are you ready? All right, let's go. All you have to do now is subscribe to this channel. Just click on the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and then we're going to go straight into the action points. All right, how you can go from zero views, you're a starter, you're a beginner, to 1,000 people view your status and buying from you every single day. I'm not just going to show you something that I saw over the internet or something I think works. I'm going to show you something that I have practiced and I have done. I have 2 different WhatsApp numbers that have at least a minimum of 1,500 active viewers every single day. These are individuals with names, businesses, people that buy from me, people that reply my comments, people that talk to me every day, that I have done this thing over time and I have proven that it works, and you too can do it. Why exactly is it important for you to have these status viewers? I usually see a lot of gurus teach that you don't need to have a large audience to make money online. You don't need to have a large audience to sell. And I wonder where this logic is coming from, because how do you sell to people who do not know you? People who cannot see your offers? I really don't know how they teach these things. But the truth is that you might not need an extra large audience, but a large audience will always give you benefits. It will always give you preference. It will always keep you at an edge over your competitors. People always say that sales is a game of numbers, and it's the truth. If you want to sell more, your job should be to get more eyes. I always say this: get more eyeballs on your product. Get more people to see what you are selling. It's important. Imagine I sell this pen now, for example, and I post it on my status, and there are just 2 people who view my status, my mom and my dad. Okay, 3 people with my sister. If the 3 of them buy from me, let's say this pen is 100 naira, 3 of them buy from me, that's 300 naira. That's the maximum I can ever make, because that's the only people that can see it. Okay, maybe my sister is in a good mood and then she refers me to somebody. That's 400 naira. But if I want to make maybe 1,000 naira a day, I have to do more jobs. I have to do more work, getting more people to see what I'm posting. Imagine my target is 10,000 naira a day. How is it going to be possible when I have just 3 people viewing my status? So I want you to understand that this is a very important topic. I'm not just teaching you gibberish. I'm teaching you something that will help you make more money online. The more people who can see your offers, the more people who can see your products, the more sales you are able to make. So that's the number 1 reason why you should take this video serious. If you want to make more sales, if you have a business, you sell products, you sell services, you sell courses, whatever it is you sell, you need more people seeing what you're offering. You might have a very good offer. You might have a very amazing offer. But when people cannot see it, they cannot buy it. That is the truth. The second reason why you should take this video very seriously is that you can actually monetize your status views. I do that. I charge 5,000 naira every day. That's for 24 hours for you to advertise on my status. And I take adverts every single day. Now, that's just a side source of income for me. It's not the main thing. I still sell my products on my status. So you can also do that. You can charge whatever you like, $2,000, $10, $5, $20 for people to advertise on your status. The thing is that once you have the numbers, people will look for you. I hardly ever come online to say, oh, I advertise on my status, come and advertise. No, I hardly say. But once people see that you have the numbers, they are the ones that will come to you and say, please, do you advertise on your status? Please, can you advertise for me? And I give them my bill and they gladly pay. Right? I'm not just telling you something to fancy or tickle your ears. I'm telling you something that should actually help your business. If you want to make money online legitimately, then you should consider growing your audience. You need an audience. Don't let anybody lie to you. You need an active audience to buy from you. Is that all right? If you're still watching so far and you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment WhatsApp status in the comment section. Just give me a comment, WhatsApp status. It just helps me trigger YouTube algorithm to make more people see this video. So just type WhatsApp status in the comment section and then we can make how to get 1,000 status viewers. I'm going to show you a strategy that will help you get really active people. See, I know some people go on there and promise to sell contacts to you and you pay them your hard-earned money. The dangers of this is that you're actually going to get people who are not interested in your business. I don't know if you've seen Instagram pages that have 10,000 followers, but when you check their posts, you see 1 like, 2 likes, 3 likes, 4 likes. Just imagine. Because they bought these followers, and these followers are people who are not interested in them, who don't care about them. Or maybe they bought the page, and probably the page was a sports page when they bought it, and then they converted it to a business page, started selling hair products there. People that were interested in Ronaldo, you're not showing them kinky and all of this. Do you think they would be interested? No, they would unfollow. But even if they still stay, they will just not be interested. They will not buy what you are selling. So that's why it's important for you to grow your audience by yourself. right? Grow your audience by yourself. And that's what I'm going to show you. It doesn't matter if you're selling a physical product or a digital product, or you're offering a service like lawyers and all the likes. This strategy will work for you effectively to grow your WhatsApp status viewers. So what is this called? It's called lead generation. Lead generation, you find it on the screen below. Lead generation is simply a method used to generate leads, as the name implies. What are leads? So leads are prospective customers. Leads are people who are most likely to buy from you. Most of the time they've not yet bought, but there's that willingness and ability to buy. In economics, we say something about the market being those who are willing and able. Those two factors must be put together. I might be willing to get a new dress, but I may not have the financial capacity to buy that dress, so I am not a good lead at that moment. But if I'm willing to get the dress and I have the money in my bank account and I'm ready to swipe my card, then I am a lead, right? For you who sells dresses, that's an example. Let's say I love shoes so much, and there's somebody who sells shoes. I love shoes and I have the money to buy shoes. Anybody who sells shoes that has me on his or her list has a good lead. And if the person is good with his or her content, one day, I'm going to do a transfer and pay for shoes from that person. So that's what leads are. They are prospective customers. They're people who are willing and they are able. I remember correcting somebody one day, and she was selling trainings for primary school children. And she was asking me, how is she going to target primary school children in her art? And I said, primary school children are not your leads. Most of them don't have phones. Those that have phones cannot afford to pay for that course of 10,000 naira. It's their parents, their guardians, their teachers. Those are the people that you should be trying to target. So sometimes you might confuse the people who use the product as your lead. Sometimes the people who use the product might not even be those who will buy it from you. You need to understand this. So leads are prospective customers, and they are the people that you're looking for. You're not just looking for people to fill up your WhatsApp and make your WhatsApp start hanging. You're looking for active people, people who are likely to buy from you because they like what you sell, they are interested in it, and they can afford it. The main factor, the legal tender, they have the money to pay for it, right? You don't want people who are constantly saying, oh, I don't have the money, oh, I'm broke, oh, can you give me a discount? No, you don't need those kind of people, right? Good. So let me show you exactly how you can target good leads and get them into your WhatsApp. So this lead generation process involves using something we call a lead magnet. This lead generation process involves using something we call a lead magnet. Lead magnet. Let's break it down. I'm trying to break it down so well so that you can understand, even if you've never heard of these terms before. Don't be confused. They might sound like big terms, but they're just very simple. Lead generation, lead magnet, they are simple terms. Don't let anybody confuse you, right? Okay, what is a lead magnet? You know magnets now, normal magnets. I wish I had a magnet around that I've used to use an example. But normal magnets that we used in secondary school, in our physics and chemistry, magnet is something that what? It attracts metals. It attracts metals like iron and the likes, right? So one thing that you're going to use to attract these leads is called a lead magnet. Lead magnet. That's why it's called a lead magnet. Use it to attract them. So it's like when you put a magnet here and you put a metal here, they are definitely going to come together. No matter how you try to separate them, they'll always find there's always a force trying to put them together, right? So that's why we call it a lead magnet. So you're going to create something valuable that you can use to attract these leads into your DM. Your DM is your direct messenger. Your DM is your WhatsApp. And then when you attract them, you tell them or you let them know that the condition for getting this lead magnet, for getting this thing that you created, is for them to save your numbers. And you're good to go, right? Let me give you a typical example. Let's say I have a course on WhatsApp marketing, right? And I want to attract people who are interested in WhatsApp marketing. I could do a simple video like this. This is a video I'm giving out for free, but I could record it and I say, I want to show you a video how you can generate leads for free, right? It's free. I'll tell you about features of a lead magnet very soon, but one of the features is that it's free or it's very cheap, right? It's free. And I say this video is free, but there's one condition attached to it. You have to save my number. You have to click on this link. You have to come into my DM and request for it. See, if people need what it is, if people need that lead magnet, they will pay the price. And if the price is just to save numbers, I would gladly do it, right? So that's a lead generation process. Now let me show you features of a good lead magnet. Now there are lead magnets that are trash. I've seen people say, I did lead magnets, it did not work, because most times you do lead magnets that are not attracting the right people or they're not good enough. So there's some features you need to take note of when you are creating your lead magnet. Feature number one, I mentioned it earlier, is that it should be free or very cheap. right? You can do a lead magnet of a very, very low price compared to the value of the lead magnet. Preferably do something free, and it shouldn't cost you so much. It should be in the format of an information product. Best believe, a format of an information product, a free video, a free training, a free WhatsApp class, a free PDF, a free ebook. That's something you can do, right? And your lead magnets should actually be something that people can easily access. That's why I talk about the price, because at this point, you're trying to get them to trust you. That's one thing your lead magnet should be able to do. It should get people to trust you, right? I'm doing a free training so you can trust me. I'm doing a free video so you can trust me. So it should be something that they can easily access. Do you understand? And that brings me to the next feature. It should be valuable. So just because you're giving it out for free doesn't mean you should give out trash for free. Somebody came to my DM the other day and asked me for my courses. He asked me for the link to get all my courses, and he got all of them. He came through my YouTube channel, right? He came through my YouTube channel, and he said the amount of free content I was giving out on that channel, that he was shocked that if this person can give this kind of thing for free, what then would she be selling? It would be much more valuable. So he bought all my courses. That was because he got something valuable for free. So not because you're packaging it for free, you now do nonsense or you make it so low quality. No, the graphics, everything about it should be top notch. The video quality should be good. Everything should be really good. Yes, it's a free product, but it should be valuable to the people who are getting it. Do you understand that now? Let me know in the comments if you understand. If this video is making any sense to you, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up and comment that it is making sense. The next feature of a good lead magnet is that it should be short and precise. You can't be doing a lead magnet of 10 hours. That is supposed to be something people pay for. Let it be obviously a lead magnet, right? Let it not be something that, did she try to sell it and she couldn't sell it, then she's not giving it out for free. No. Obviously a lead magnet. From the beginning to the end, indicate that it is free. Indicate that it's something you're using to give back to us. Do you understand? And precise, straight to the point. Don't go start beating about the bush. That no, just go straight to the point, short, precise. At that point, you've not bought their attention. I don't know how to explain it to you, but if I pay for something, let's say I pay 5,000 naira for you to send me a video, because of the fact that my money, my hard-earned money is in it, I would be committed to watching it. But at that time, they got it for free, so their commitment will be a little. So you need to be careful to grab their attention right from the beginning, because with time they can drop it off and say, well, I didn't pay anything for it. So you need to grab their attention. Go straight to the point, short and precise. If it's an ebook, it shouldn't go past 15 pages, at most 20 pages. If it's a video, 1 hour max. If it's, whatever thing you're using, if it's a WhatsApp class, 2 days is enough. Don't go doing 20 days WhatsApp class as a lead magnet. That is too much. So make sure it is short, precise, and straight to the point. Feature number 3, right? This is number 3. It should be relevant to what you want to upsell to them, what you want to sell to them, or what you currently sell. You can't be selling shoes and then your lead magnet is about skincare. That's so off point. It should be relevant to what you want to sell, so that there should be that part where they say, after taking the lead magnet, they say, okay, what next? Okay, how do I go forward? Most times after watching my free videos, people come to me and say, okay, can you help me do this? Because my video is in line with what I do. For example, after watching this video, you can meet me and say, please help me create a lead magnet. It's part of what I do for people. I give you my charge and I create a lead magnet for you. Do you understand? So I am creating something that is in line with what I do. Don't create something totally off points from what you do. Let it be related to the product that you're selling, so that after going through that lead magnet, they can say, okay, what next? Okay, can you help me go a step further? You should intrigue them. You should make them curious to find out, what else can you do for me? And that brings me to the next point. All through your lead magnet, make sure that you're letting people know about yourself. Make sure you're letting them know about yourself, who you are, what you do, how you can help them, how they can reach you. Even if it's an ebook, put your picture, put your accolades, talk about yourself, because after reading it, they will always have that what next question. And if there's no way they can answer it, that's how they will forget about you. If it's a video, talk about yourself, give them contact, let them know what you do, right? So that they can reach out to you, even if it's not now, it's later in the future, right? And finally, a good lead magnet must be specific to a particular audience. Who is this lead magnet for? You can't be talking to everybody in your lead magnet. You must know who exactly you're targeting, who you are selling to. You must know who your target audience is with that lead magnet. And that is how you're able to target the right people. One of the ways you can identify or pick a good idea for a lead magnet is a frequently asked question, right? Let's say I sell wigs, for example, like this, and people always ask me what's the difference between human hair and blend. And I know that this is a common question. I could create an ebook where I explain the difference between human hair and hair blend, and that is my lead magnet. I give it to different people for free, and in the end they would come back to me and ask me more questions. Remember, make sure that they are saving your numbers as they are collecting that lead magnet. Make sure that the condition is that they save your numbers and you also save theirs, because that's the condition for people to see your WhatsApp status. You have to save the person's number and the person has to save yours. If you have trust issues, you can ask them to send you screenshots to confirm that they saved your number. But just make sure that both sides save each other's numbers. To save the stress, there are automation systems that you can use for it. I taught automation in my WhatsApp sales mastery program. You can grab the course and learn how to automate your WhatsApp, so you don't have to be the one pressing and saving all the contacts by yourself, replying everybody by yourself. Because once you start doing this kind of thing, you're going to have flood of people into your DM, and then you might get really tired replying all the chats by yourself. This is why you need to learn WhatsApp automation for yourself and know how to do it all by yourself. Lastly, after creating the lead magnet, what next? Distribute it, share it, put the link out there, put it on your WhatsApp, put it on your Facebook, give it to people to post it for you, run ads with it, right? Run crazy adverts with your lead magnet and get people coming into your DM asking for this product. In 30 days or less, if you practice what I just showed you, you're going to go from 0 to 1,000 or more WhatsApp status viewers. And I'm telling you the honest truth. So that's it for today. I'm going to see you guys next time on this channel. If you love this video, if it made any sense at all to you, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. I have a lot more coming up very, very soon on this channel. If you're interested in getting my WhatsApp sales mastery program, click the link in the description and you can grab it at 50% off only today. I'll see you next time. My name is Kemjii and I love you. Bye.